Thanks for joining us. My name is Jace of Eclipse Effect Events, and we are back here with Tracy of Tracy Lynn Photography. How's it going, Tracy?
Hi, Dee. Good morning.
And let's talk about being present in the moment. What is being present in the moment?
I think it's so important, especially on your wedding day with so many things happening that can possibly create anxiety. It's important to just stop and maybe take a few breaths and just be present in the moment. I think if you're not intentional about it, with all the chaos that can happen on a wedding day, your wedding day will end and you will have missed all these beautiful moments. And so all it takes, just really take a moment, take a few breaths, and just appreciate everything that's happening. Your best friends are there. You're marrying your best friend that day. Everybody you love is there to support you. If you're not intentional about it, it's so easy to get caught up in all the craziness and miss out on what the celebration is all about.